Welcome. If you want to get iOS launcher on your Vodafone Smart Platinum 7, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, then tap on the search pool and type iOS launcher. We are going to get this application from Bluetooth developer, so let's install. Let's open. Then accept permissions. And when we are here, we have to tap on the home icon and select iOS Launcher 14 and click Always. Then tap on this notifications, click Update. And as you can see, right now we are here with this launcher. We can try to edit icons on the home screen. As you can see, the animation looks the same like on the iPhone. We can also edit widgets. By clicking here, we can add the batteries, for example. And you can also customize other things when you enter for this launcher, but that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.